way that this particular trial with its earlier exposure to a PARP inhibitor will affect the others really has to do with how we understand what happens when a patient's been previously exposed to PARP. So most of essentially all of the trials that have been done to date in where these drugs are already approved have been done in patients who've never been exposed to a PARP inhibitor before. With the coming of this trial and the already experience that we're seeing with olaparib and niraparib, we are seeing earlier and earlier exposure of a large proportion of patients who have a PARP before. So I think that the way that it impacts is not so much the other PARP inhibitors, but where the PARP inhibitors are already approved. And so I think ultimately, it's good to have these agents in the public domain so we can actually have our experience and use them. But I think that the big impact is going to be how does this affect the treatment paradigm for patients who recur and have had prior exposure.